Okay, you asked for this question. Let me quickly write the question. You say solve each equation where you have 4 x power 4 plus x power 2 minus 90 equals 0. So what you just have to do here is, okay, break this trinomial into quadratic. So this will be x power 2 by 2, okay? That is by 4, 2 times 2 is 4, it's still the same thing, plus x squared minus 90 equals 0. So you say let's say m equals to x squared. Okay, so you replace m to s squared. So this s squared here becomes m, then squared, then plus m minus 90 equals 0. Okay? So the next thing you need to do is you factorize. So you can easily do this by coming to your calculator. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let me say mode. So when you press mode, you press equation. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll be talking so you know. You press 3, then you go to, you will see 1, 2, 3. The third equation, which is quadratic, as squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So you press 3 on your calculator. Then you press the first coefficient. The coefficient of this, of m squared is 1. You press 1 equals to, coefficient of m is 1. You also press 1 equals to, then the c, your constant is negative 90. Negative 90. And you press equals to, then you press equals to again. You have x, that is m, equals 9, and you press it again, m equals negative 10. But what your calculator will give you is x1. You can see this one is s2. You give you s1, s2, s1, and so on. So s1 and s2. Then you remember that m is s squared. So you say s squared equals 9. So you square both sides. You have x equals plus or minus square root of 9. So x will now be plus or minus 3. Then for y, you do the same thing. X for the second value, x equals to negative 10. So the square root will be what? Plus or minus the square root of negative 10. And because you have negative 10, the square root of negative is always pi. We say it's pi. So s will now be what? Plus or minus pi square root of 10. So the value of x will now be x equals to plus or minus 3 and plus or minus pi square root of 10. So that's how to solve the first question. You use the same step in second, third. You can see it's 30, 31, 32, 33, and so on. So that's how you do it. Just change this, okay? Just change this into, just use indices on this. Then you break it down to this and represent m by s squared. Then the same step for all the questions.